Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technologies in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 6-digit countdown and count up timer. Where you can see the most left is the hour, followed by minute and second. Let's start our presentation today. This is the keypad controller. Where you can see this is a female connector with the Cat5 cable. Let's plug in. So once you plug in, you see the clipping sound. Clip, and after that, you just plug in. So once you plug in, press and hold. This is a countdown timer. Where you can see we can set the hour, minute and second. To set it up, this is the minute. So you can set the minute. Press and hold to do it. So for demonstration purpose, I set it to 0. And this is the hour. So set to hour. So I set to 0. And second, of course we can set also. So for demonstration, I set to 20 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds. So once set, this is green color button, start. So it will count down. Once it reach the time, it will buzz. So let's wait. You can stop and start. So this is how it looks like. So to reset it, press and hold to reset to 15. So come again, start, counting down. You can stop 11 and resume back to timer. Stop again and start. So when it's reached, it will trigger the buzzer. So this is how it looks like. So reset it. So to change the mode, here is the button. Press and hold to change to count up. Okay. So once changed, you can run. So the timer is counting up by second. And you can stop it and reset it to back to 0. And start again. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.